All right, we're going to start off scale drawing and area notes. We have a couple of practice problems for this set. Our learning target today is I can calculate the area of a figure when giving drawings in a scale or a scale factor. So we're going to start with practice problem 1. In Micah's drawing of his room, 1 centimeter represents 2 feet. What is the area of his room? So we know 1 centimeter represents 2 feet, and we want to find out what is the area of his room. So we're going to write our scale down here, 1 centimeter to 2 feet. And in both of these, we can already fill in the first section because that's always our scale. So it's 1 centimeter, 2 feet. 1 centimeter, 2 feet. And because we're looking for the area of his room, his actual room, we're going to put the scale sides here. So on this side, we're going to put 5.5 centimeters. And on this side, we're going to put 3 centimeters. So we're going to be solving for x. So let's start over here. 2 times 5.5, 1 times x. So our x is going to equal 11. So the actual length is 11 feet. On this side, we're going to do 2 times 3, 1 times x. X is going to equal 6. So our actual width is 6 feet. Remember, when you're doing area, you want to use length times width. So we're going to do 11 times 6 to get 66 feet. So he has 66 squared feet of area in his room. Let's look at problem 2. What is the area of the rectangle below when it is enlarged by a scale factor of 3? So we're going to take our original length and our original width and put it here. So we have 10.5 feet and we have 3 feet. And we're enlarging this by a scale of 3. So we're going to multiply both of these by 3. Now 10.5 times 3 is going to give us 31.5. 3 times 3 is 9. So again, we're just going to multiply length times width. We have 31.5 times 9, which gives us 283.5 feet squared. All right, so we have 283.5 feet squared. Let's go on to the back. So for practice problem 3, a floor plan of Eva's new house has a scale of 1 inch is 12 feet. One of the floor plans, Eva's bedroom, is 3/4 inch by 7/8 inch. What is the actual area of Ava's bedroom? So our scale is 1 inch to 12 feet. So we're going to fill that in on both sides. 1 inch, 12 feet. 1 inch, 12 feet. And her room is going to be 3/4 inch by 7/8 inch. So we're going to do 3/4, 7/8, and we're going to put our x on the bottom. So now we're going to multiply 12 by 3/4 and 1 by x. So our x is going to equal 9. So our actual length is 9 feet. On this side, we're going to do 1 times x and 12 times 7/8. So we have an x that equals 10.5. So the actual width is 10.5 area. 9 times 10.5 is equal to 94.5 feet squared. Our last problem. What is the area of the rectangle below when it is reduced by a factor of 1/2? So let's fill in our original length. We have we're going to put 3 on this side because we're looking for the length. So 3 and 1/2. and then we're going to put 2. And we're being reduced by half. So half of 3 1/2 is 1.7. Half is 1. So we're going to have 1.75 times 1, which is 1.75 feet squared. Oh, not feet. We're looking at centimeters. So it's going to be centimeters squared. All right, and that's it for our notes today.